Hey guys, it's Vanessa Bencourt with John L. Scott. If you are looking for a beautiful turnkey home on a large lot, you have to check out my newest listing here in Auburn, Washington. Come in, I'm gonna show you guys around. As soon as you walk in, you can't help but notice the high voltage ceilings and the beautiful exposed beams. This home has been completely remodeled with love from top to bottom. The kitchen is a dream kitchen and will inspire you to create many memories. It offers a double oven, gas stove, quartz countertop, and a huge island. The spacious and open floor plan is perfect for hosting and entertaining your guests. This 1,800 square foot home offers 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and sits on over an acre. The main bedroom has 2 closets and a beautiful and elegant 5-piece primary bathroom. Outside, you have a detached bonus room with its own bathroom and kitchenette that would make a great home office. You will love being outside in the covered living space that is perfect for your summer barbecues and gatherings. So if you're looking for a large lot near the city, then this house is the house for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. To schedule your private tour, call, text, or email me, and I will see you guys soon.